Hello, grill enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for your barbecue cleaning woes with the 5-piece BBQ Cleaning Kit, featuring nylon-safe bristles and a wire-free design, perfect for all grill types. Say goodbye to hours of scrubbing as this kit, powered by your cordless drill, effortlessly tackles stubborn grease and grime, restoring your grill to its former glory. The set includes 4 ultra-stiff nylon brushes and a drill bit extender, ensuring you can clean every nook and cranny without damaging your grill's surface. Unlike metal scrapers, these brushes won't leave behind rust or metal debris, making them a safe choice for your food and grill. Whether you're dealing with baked-on grime or heavy-duty stains, this kit is your go-to for a hassle-free, squeaky clean grilling experience. Ideal for any grill master or pit master, this kit makes an excellent gift, ensuring a spotless grill and more time to enjoy your outdoor cooking adventures. So, unleash the power of easy and effortless cleaning with this indispensable barbecue cleaning kit and elevate your grilling game today. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.